Okay, so we are going to be continuing the dividing of a line. In the first section we look at how to divide a line into equal parts. So based on that construction we are going to be dividing into ratios, and it's a similar procedure. Basically what we are going to do differently is just to based on the ratio that we're given, which is 3 to 2 here, we have divided into the total sum of that ratio. So 3 plus 2 parts would be equal to 5. So we're going to be dividing the line into 5 and just highlight where the ratio 3 to 2 would occur on line AB. We are going to draw line AB, and I'm going to go through a bit faster in this video because persons would have already learned the basic functioning of the tools that we need. So line AB is 100, and I'm going to draw line AC, and let me just quickly correct that because there is no C here. So we're going to put C right here, and we'll just double click and label C. Okay, so line AC is an acute angle, and I'm just going to get that in any angle at your desire. So I'm just going to use here. Then we go to the arc command, we go to center start end, and we select the center, and I'll turn on dynamic input, which is F12, just to see the distance of the center that I want. So I'm going to choose say 14 for my radius. Enter, and AutoCAD will draw that arc in a clockwise direction. And then we need 5 of these arcs, so I'm going to copy, and we'll copy from this point. Ensure that you're selecting the correct point. You can zoom in, and I think I need one more. Escape. So that would be 5 parts, and based on the instruction we normally connect the final point with line B first. So line from point 5 to the end point of the line that we want to divide. Press enter. Just checking. Now we're going to copy. Select the line, enter, and we copy from this point. Alright, enter to escape that command, and we'll trim. Select this line as an edge, press enter. We can do it individually or collectively. Escape. And that is our line in terms of the division. Sorry, we will not need this one or this one, and we will not need this one as well, because we are dividing a ratio of 3 and then 2 parts. So 1, 2, 3 from point A, and then 1, 2 from here. So all we do is just to label this diagram. Let me just go to multi-text and type in our letter. So let's use A, and then I'm just going to scale this again. And I'm going to use 0.1, seems to be working fine. That's 10%, right? And then we could just put this in place. We could also copy again, and just to label these 0.1, 0.2, we'll go back afterwards, and we'll just change the lettering on them, change the text on it. So that will be this. We double click on the text, edit, and we'll press B, and we'll do the same thing for these. 1. Okay, so that's the final one, and this would be our division in terms of the ratio of 3 to 2 on line AB. So we could dimension just to check real quickly if our drawing is correct. So we have our start point and our end point right here, and that is 100. Let me just move this up some more so we can get those two smaller dimensions in. I'm going to select linear once more from this point to point 3. Should be the part 3, that's 60. So we know the other one would be 40. Alright, thanks for watching. I hope that you have learned how to use the division construction principle to get ratios quite easily. I'll see you in the next video.